Thank you for the opportunity to present my listing to you. I am real estate agent in South Florida with 12 years of experience, exceptional service and unique marketing strategies. Fresh paint, professionally clean, nicely updated 2 bedrooms 2 bathrooms, in the heart of Aventura, modern kitchen and bathrooms, tile floors, hurricane-proof windows and balcony doors, washer and dryer inside the unit, split floor plan, freshly painted, 24-hour security lobby, valet parking, 2 pools, gym, business center, jacuzzi, party room, billiard room, nice view to the shopping plaza, walking distance of restaurants and stores, Publix, Saks, pharmacy and more, great amenities, best location, best schools and best kids parks. Move in with 2 months rent, easy to show vacant.